Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cryptocurrency with Coinbase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create one. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you complete the registration, check your email for a verification link and click on it. Now, log in to your new Coinbase account. Next, you will need to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to link your phone number and verify your identity. After security setup, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To deploy cryptocurrency, first, click on the Trade button at the top right corner. In the Trade window, select the cryptocurrency you wish to deploy. Decide whether you want to buy or sell the selected cryptocurrency. Input the amount you wish to trade and review the current price. Once you are satisfied with the details, click on the Buy or Sell button to proceed. You will be prompted to confirm your transaction and review any fees. Once confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be added to your Coinbase portfolio. To monitor your investments, go to the Assets section in the dashboard. Here, you can view your assets' current value and transaction history. If you wish to withdraw your cryptocurrency, navigate to the Assets tab again. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and click on the Withdraw button. Input the recipient address where you want to send your cryptocurrency. Finalize the withdrawal by confirming the transaction details. Remember, withdrawal times may vary based on the cryptocurrency and network activity. For ongoing management, regularly check the news and updates about your chosen cryptocurrencies. Consider setting alerts within the app to stay updated on price changes. And that's how you can deploy cryptocurrency using Coinbase as a beginner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.